then you end up buying it. What do you have to say?
I've been waiting to actually kind of answer such a question because I feel हम बहुत बार बोलते हैं कि it's about touch and feel. It's about wearing things and seeing how they look on your hand. But I think जितना modern हम बन रहे हैं, जितनी technology बढ़ रही है, it's all easier. You can buy jewelry being all together, whole family crowded with an iPad or a computer also, and it's even more easier. You can be having a lot of moments in your private zone. जहाँ तक टच एंड फील की बात आती है, they have a very fabulous technology and an idea that they've come up with. Velvet Case basically gives you an opportunity to select whatever. Suppose I choose a ring. They will literally send you can say a 3D piece or a dummy piece made of wax or plastic on which that ring is actually it's printed on it, and you can wear it. So it's going to be the exact size, it's going to be the exact feel. You can actually wear it, see how it looks on your hand. If you like it, you order it. If you don't like it, you replace or give it back. So I think that for me was a wow factor when I heard it. Because it's very rare, half the time you feel that, okay, here on the picture it's looking nice, but what if it doesn't suit my hand, or what if it looks too big for my hand? So I think when we come up with such innovative ideas and technologies, it just makes life much more easier.
What is the one jewelry piece that you're the most possessive about?
One jewelry piece. Well, my mom actually has a lot of Kundan made jewelry, which I feel Kundan never goes, out of fashion. It is always there, and that is something which, when you wear your mom's jewelries to shadis and to events, I just feel that, you just feel very different when you're wearing that. So for me, her jewelry is something which I am very possessive about, and me and my sister kind of keep fighting who's going to keep what.
And